Hey, welcome back. Thanks for following again. I'm almost done with the boring work that I didn't want to show, which is a lot of the demolition. Taking all the wall plates and the towel bars and toilet paper thing, the toilet out, and just all the little stuff. I'm gonna leave this in last minute because of the light in here. This is going to be tiled, so I'm not too much worried about that wall. Tile is going to cover that up, and I'll change the light out at that time. So I guess the next video that you're going to see is the actually getting the mortar up. Now I used my jackhammer there, which it plowed through the tile like crazy, minutes. Little minimum effort on my part. However, trying to get all this mortar up is a beast. So I'm going to rent the floor scraper from Home Depot. Even though this is a small amount, but I'm going to save my back and rent that out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this tedious stuff that I want to show, like all the nails in the walls, scrape all this, and texture areas that need to be textured so to be ready for paint. Entire room getting painted. And then somehow I'm going to I'm going to attempt to show you guys how I'm going to raise the ceiling in here. I don't have a place to put the camera, but I'm going to try it. Stay tuned.